I want to thank the dude over at the YouTube channel on the workbench. His SAAB had the same wiper issue as mine, and after watching his video, I was able to fix my own. With this video, I'm going to detail my experience and show you why there's 3 bushings in the universal repair kit. Alright, now we just got to get this hook tool in here and get this I'm going to put a little WD-40 on here just to try to hopefully loosen things up a little bit. Alright, let's see what kind of luck we can have with this. Well, hell, that was pretty easy. I hope the wiper pulls off that easy. Yep, alright. I'm fortunate to live close enough to a discount tool store, and I just ran over there and got these reasonably inexpensive pullers. Got them adjusted, and I'm going to try to use them to pull off this windshield wiper with no damage to anything whatsoever is the plan, hopefully. Crisp wrench there. Alright, that was super simple. It only took the most littlest bit of pressure. It's on a tapered spline, so I might have been overkill going with this, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I need my glasses. Ugh. Okay, that's better. Wow, finger tight. That's awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. I don't care. Could have popped off, but I need me some pullers anyway. There are 4 fasteners holding the windshield wiper cowling in place, 2 on each side. Next, we remove the engine compartment rubber seal. Alright, this should be ready to come out. There we go. Alright, as you can see, it's just broke on that bushing. So okay, these are the 2 bushings the other guy shows you how to replace in his video, but there's actually a 3rd bushing that needs to be replaced as well. The 3rd bushing to replace is for the driver's side windshield wiper. It's located right here. The next step is to remove the nut that holds the linkage wiper onto the windshield wiper motor. Oops. Oh, there it is. Kind of reluctant to where to see if I can. Well, there you go. No big deal. floppy. Alright, that was the last one that broke off. This right here, getting it out. But they're ready to remove. It's that one, and that one. These we don't need. Alright. Okay, while we got all this off, I want to check the cabin filter. Probably hadn't been checked in I don't know how many decades. Is that on? Is this even on? Yeah, overdue. Take it outside and blow it out. Perfect. Fill each bushing with some white lithium grease. There you go. All right. Okay. Got that rotation there. Perfect. Simple as that, baby! Okay, if you haven't already, tighten the nut that holds the linkage onto the windshield wiper motor. Take note that the windshield wiper motor arm is in the 3 o'clock position when the windshield wipers are in the off position. Okay, let's put everything back together. recommended torque for the windshield wiper nuts is 15 pound-foot. That's all she wrote. No parts left over.